Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you an ancient and traditional way of roasting peanuts with sand. So I'm going to be using a clean and sanitized sand. Add the sand to a pan and heat it up for a few minutes. When it is hot enough, then add the peanuts. I got this sand from the ocean and I cleaned and sanitized it by myself. I have a video on how to clean it. If you're interested, don't forget to check out the video on my page and on my YouTube channel. After a few minutes, to check if the sand is hot enough, you can hover your hand above the pan. If you can feel the heat, that means it is hot enough. Then you can start frying your peanuts. You can fry your peanuts on medium to medium high heat. Don't forget that sand is a good conductor of heat. If you fry it on a very high heat, the sand is going to be extremely hot and it's going to burn the peanuts. Whenever you are frying peanuts, you have to constantly stir it. If not, the peanut will develop burnt spots. So if this is your first time of seeing my video, or you have seen my video on my Facebook page or YouTube channel, and you are not following me on my page or channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook for more amazing recipes. Like and share the video. Invite your friends. Thank you and God bless you. And you can also check out my website spicyanddeliciousgoodness.com. Let me use this opportunity to send a very special shout out to those that are subscribed to my YouTube channel and those following me on my Facebook page. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. Whenever you are frying your peanuts, after a while it will eventually start to develop a darker color. That is when you can start checking to see if it is ready by peeling off the skin. If there is a resistance, that means it is not ready. But if it comes off easily, that means it is ready. If it is not ready, you have to continue frying it and be checking on it at each interval until it is ready. A lot of people that have been roasting peanuts for years or do it as a business, they are able to tell when it is ready by just looking at it. As you can see, the peanut is ready. I roasted it for about 15 minutes. You can do it longer if you want it to look darker. After sifting out the sand, I'm going to shake it some more to remove any excess sand that is attached to the peanuts. When I'm done shaking off the sand, I'm going to spread out the peanuts to cool down. Don't they look beautiful? See, the color is uniform. They are crunchy and delicious. When the peanuts have cooled down, I'm going to peel and blow off the skin. Then store the peanuts in an airtight container and enjoy it whenever I'm ready. Now that you know how to roast your peanuts with sand, why don't you give this method a try? I promise you, you're gonna love it. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.